What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. The Yeezy 500. I have shown a lot of love to that model in this channel over the last few years. And in this video, we'll be talking about the latest colorway. I will be reviewing the Yeezy 500 Taupe Light. So what up guys, hope you guys are doing well and absolutely killing it. In this video, I will be breaking down this shoe. We will get into the quality of this sneaker. We'll also talk about the colorway a little bit and how similar it is to some previous models. I'll give you some Yeezy 500 sizing tips, and for those of you interested, we'll even get into some resale predictions of this particular colorway. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So here it is guys, the Yeezy 500 Taupe Light. Now I don't know about you, but the first time I saw pictures of this shoe, I definitely thought that this was the blush colorway, that OG colorway of the Yeezy 500, which actually will be restocking later this year in the fall time. This colorway, the Taupe Light, extremely similar color to that one, except this one I would say is a bit darker. It's a darker shade of this tan color, whereas the blush colorway is much more of a cream color. This colorway also is a back to basics sort of colorway from the Yeezy 500 line. This year was the first time we saw the 500 experiment with very colorful models, such as this pair. This is the Yeezy 500 in the End Flame colorway. This is the first time I had seen so many different colors on this 500 model. But now with this colorway, the 500 is back to doing what the 500 is known for, and that is taking these light, earthy tones and throwing them on the shoe. So this Taupe Light is definitely more of a dark tan colorway, and the color is present all over the shoe. However, on the midsole, there is a slight contrast. There is a lighter midsole, but the rest of the shoe is just in this one color. Personally, I really like this colorway, and I always thought that these type of colors look really good on this model. The materials used on this sneaker too is back to basics. The 500 this time comes in this almost all over mesh upper. We do of course have hits of this very premium feeling suede on the toe area, but most of the upper is made out of this pretty breathable mesh, so it is actually a decent sneaker to wear in the summertime. We had previous versions drop in that nylon upper, and that one is definitely not recommended for summer. The 500s also do come in this Adipreme technology, which is not Boost yet. Somehow it is a very comfortable shoe. It's pretty breathable, the cushioning is pretty good. I really like this model a lot. Back when they first dropped, around that time, the 700s were selling for around $300 and the 350s were going for $220. I said at the time that the 500 I felt was the best value for money Yeezy to drop, simply because the quality of the materials used on this pair is much better in my opinion than the 350s or the 700s. For sizing purposes, if you have never worn a pair of these before, these fit a bit different than other Yeezys, so I go true to size in 500s, whereas all my other Yeezys I always have to go a half size up. So I fit a 11.5 in Yeezy 350s as well as Yeezy 700s, but in the Yeezy 500s I fit a size 11, which is my true size in other shoes, so I definitely recommend you guys going with your true size or a half down than some of your other Yeezys like 350s. All right, let's quickly talk about resale as well. So in the past, one thing that the Yeezy 500 has proven to us is that base sizes in this model are always a good investment. Pretty much any colorway, doesn't matter which one, all of them, the base sizes have sold for quite a lot of money if you held on to them. This time too, the base sizes are selling for higher than the bigger ones. I do think, just like previous colorways, the base sizes are going to go up over time, but I don't see them going up as much as previous colorways, simply because of how similar this colorway is to the original blush pair. And that blush pair, like I said, will be restocking in the fall time. And I really don't think anyone needs to cop both the Taupe Lights and the blushes. You either cop one or the other. So I actually don't see these going up too much, not like some of the other colorways. So if you are thinking about whether to hold or sell, I would personally hold on to the base sizes at least for a few months if you can afford to do so. The bigger sizes, I don't know if I would hold on to them. They will go up over time, but like I said, the blush pair is on the way, so I think that the big sizes are pretty limited in how high they can go. For those of you out there who took an L and you wanted to cop this sneaker, as with every 500 that has dropped in the past, the best time to cop it is right around this time, right after the release, because they do tend to increase quite a bit. So I would definitely go ahead and cop right now. So let's wrap this thing up. The Yeezy 500 in the Taupe Light colorway. Is this a cop or a drop? Now, if you already have that blush pair, in my opinion, these are a pass. The colorway as well as the color blocking is almost identical to the blushes. I don't think you need both. If you don't have that blush pair and you don't want to wait till the fall time till those drop, then you can definitely cop these right now. The prices are pretty low and you're getting a really nice clean colorway for the summertime. In my opinion, this is a pretty easy to wear shoe. And as always, the quality and the materials are great on this pair. So in my opinion, the Yeezy 500 Taupe Light, these are a cop. Don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Thank you guys as always for supporting the channel and for watching this video, clicking on it. I really appreciate it. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys once again. Until next time, peace.